The Telesin magnetic mount is not for you if, as a tech content creator myself, I script, shoot and edit videos myself. Shooting alone is a bit tough as I struggle to get the desired shots of the product. I wanted something through which I could get the POV shots without any aid. I searched the web and the Telesin magnetic neck mount caught my attention promptly. I was amazed at how easy it looked to shoot POV style videos with this product. I have Magsafe supported iPhones, so it was another plus. The price quoted was too high, but if it worked, it would be a game changer. Searched around nearby shops for this product, but got no response, so ordered from Amazon directly. As an Amazon Prime member, I received the package the next day. Hello guys, I am Abhijit and you are watching TechNutso. Now let's unbox it and check the package contents. The box feels good quality. It has two seals, one on the top and the other at the bottom. Upon opening the box, we have the magnetic mount first, a safety rope, one magnetic ring, alcohol wipes and some paperwork. The build quality of the mount is top notch. Smooth silicone with stainless steel gooseneck which wraps around your neck easily. It is so flexible that you can adjust it as you want. The silicone is skin friendly and very smooth to the touch. The quick release design is easy to use and works as said. Also, the back area which stays on the chest is soft to provide comfort. The magnetic mount arm is adjustable at 3 joints so that we can record videos at different angles. iPhones easily attach to the mount and stay secure when recording videos during low intensity activities. I have tested this mount for some time and have returned it. Keep watching and I will tell you why. The build quality is really very solid and is easy to carry around when folded. Magsafe was one of the very reasons I bought this mount. After testing it out, I came across two major issues which made me return the product. The second one is vital. Here are some video samples I have recorded. Have a look at them. The first being this. When I was walking slowly, the mount couldn't stay in place. It would move front and back, which resulted in wobbly footage. The same happened when I moved my shoulders a little bit to bring motion to the object in the frame. The second issue, as I said earlier, is very crucial. The magnetic mount is built solid and has a good amount of weight to it, and iPhone's weight add to it. So eventually, the pressure builds up in the chest area where the soft mount resides. I couldn't test it out for more than 10 minutes. Yeah, it is that heavy. I even used my iPhone 12 mini, which is significantly lighter than my iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it failed to make any difference. My chest area where the mount rested was red after I checked it after the 10-minute mark. I could even try to find some workaround with the wobbly footage at the most, but can't do with the chest pressure issue. And there's no pressure on the neck, but only the chest area where the mount resides. It is very uncomfortable even though the back of the mount is soft. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel because it motivates me to work harder on the content. Thank you. Because of these reasons, I don't recommend you buy this product. I then processed my return through Amazon and got refunded. So here I end my video. This was my experience with the Telesin magnetic neck mount. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, follow and DM me on Instagram. I am happy to help. Instagram link in the description. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.